हेलो व्हाट्स अप गाइस, क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट वीडियो विद वॉइस ओवर. होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. If you like this video, please hit the like button. In this video we dropped in a mini zone with one of my friend Firon with two. I tried to take this green guy, but I don't have it also. Oh my god, Raman Singh Suri. Down in the box. I don't have vest, I don't have helmet. This try to rush me, but I have my tricks. I crouch. Crouch is OP, dude. Crouch is OP. Everyone should use. So I got a shotgun. Hey, this Namune Bandar didn't see me. Oh my god, how is he alive? Crouch is OP. See that someone's coming from the right. I thought I'm dead. Got the thanks to this M762 guy. Shotgun is OP, dude. Shotgun is OP. Let me take all his loot and get the fuck out of here. I'm so scared now. If I get a single shot, I'll be knocked down. I don't have a vest, I don't have anything. It's always preferable not to take a fight if you don't have a proper loot. Proper gun, proper loot, proper vest. M762 is a OP gun. I like this gun so much. Even with a bad position, bad move, this gun is forgiving. It saved my life plenty of times. Mafia Harsh खा गया, box बन गया. I don't have vest, helmet, so I called my friend for help. So I'll give him backup. क्या हो गया भाई? He was so confused. Okay. हमारा फायरॉन भाई ने गाड़ी लेके आ गया, लेके एक नमूने बंदर ने शॉट्स मारा. लेट्स गो, लेट्स किल हिम. I told him to stop way back then, but फायरॉन को तेलुगु नहीं आता, मुझे हिंदी नहीं आता, ऐसा होता. So I thought this guy will be inside this house. Where is this namune bandar? Let me kill him with an headlet. Hey, dude. I thought of making something funny.
Let's go.
Bots are meant to increase our KD. Why not? I'm using DP in this match because I didn't get a sniper rifle or a DMR. I'm pretty bad at using DP here. So I actually heard a vector from this direction, so I just went in search of that guy, take him out. Shit, rip my peak. Actually I changed my peak like 100 times. So I'm kinda bad at peak, but I'll get far better. So I flank left so that I'm knocking and he heard my footsteps, I guess. He's already watching at me. So after that coaching key, we went to Razak. We heard two teams fighting. So I just went to take TP. Arey bhai, why are you going there? They are fighting bro. बॉक्स के अंदर गया, लेकिन क्या करूँ? I can't save him. अरे dude, Ravi 7205, you will die if you. That's a bad move actually. He shouldn't have bolted that. Instead he should have shot me. So I thought someone is revving him, so I made. What that guy is doing? अरे इतने नमूने बन. It's okay. Okay, someone is revving him, so let me. Oh my god, what the fuck? I thought someone's revving him. So let me go finish that other guys. I think I knocked at least 5 people. So
Let's go.
there are 2 teams. Smoke, so vehicle will blast, but they might be behind that smoke. Possibility is there. So let me stun them. I wanna go, but it's kinda risky. No one's there to rev me, so I'll go flank left. I'll have a proper view. He will be revving him. Even if he got revved, he'll be healing. I'll like approximately 17 seconds. Let me see what happens. Yeah, I hate this door glitch when PUBG will address this. No one's there. Now loot. మనకు సొంగగా ఆడుతుంది ఆ లూట్ ఇవ్వడగానే. Guys, I always prefer angle 4K over any trip because it decreases that jitteriness, super jitteriness. So I with my DP spray. I'm very bad. I guess I'm the worst. I had the worst DP spray.
Excellent work.
I literally don't know how to use this guys. So I started using this. He's a noob, so he got killed, or else I would have been dead. If I would have sniper rifle, I guess I would have connected at least a single shot. My phone already got so hot, so I just gave it a moment. I transferred the heat from my phone into my body. Okay, let's go, Bahubali. Let's go. So into this house, I'm so scared of DP, like it has 50 man damage. I'm scared as fuck. So I threw a nade. Unlucky me, he did connect well. So I thought, why not throw on one nade? I think there are at least 2 people because definitely not a squad. I don't hear that many footsteps. Okay, there's a drop on the right too. I'll go after finishing this namune banda. So okay, one TP spot is here. Let's check this TP. This is a very famous position, so I just needed making sure why they will jump down, but I didn't hear anything. So rip that one tab kitchen. When will PUBG fix those? I thought someone is camping on the top. Okay, let me check. Yeah, let me check in the balcony. Let me check at the top. I think no one's on the top also. He might be waiting for me to come up. Okay, I'll blast off this door all of a sudden. And even it's not here. So I think it's not there. Cool. Let me finish this guy and quickly go to that drop. I don't have a proper vest or something, so I can get one good gun and a vest. M760 is good, but I prefer AUG over it because AUG, like I love AUG. Its accuracy is insane. What the fuck? What this guy is doing till now? Why didn't he shoot me in the first case? He didn't shoot me till 3 seconds. Now he is dead. I'm gonna peek. So I'm coming. So much accuracy. I don't have it, that's why I just like let me get a vest, get some loot for it. I always carry 7 smokes. Like smoking actually saves you in PUBG, not in real life. So I saw a car. So I decided to take this car because in the final zone you can use the car as a wall, or you can make this as a tower. So I just went
Enemies ahead!
it, started running, looking from all directions. So I saw something white near the entry car. When we took finishing that, let's go. My phone is already lagging like that. Let's see what's gonna happen. My phone sucks when it's hot. That's the only drawback. It's good. Stable 60 FPS. I'm satisfied. So I thought now let's stop here and take TPP for a couple of minutes and wait for the sounds, take some information, plan and go. So after some time I decided to push in. I actually neglected the guy near the tree, that 330. Thought something's there, but I couldn't distinguish between something. So I just then pushed into the zone. Actually I heard a Connecticut shot from the east direction. So I just thought why not smoke and finish him off.
Enemies ahead!
If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to TX Mahubali. Peace.